Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Today is a great day because today I will show you exactly how to make $1,000 right now today without any startup cost. No, it's not starting an agency. It's nothing like that. It's just something that you can do easily right now. It's simple to do. You can do it today. You can eventually start it and do it and build up something real out of it. For example, starting your agency. You can even use it like if you're running a video marketing agency already, for example, you can use it as an upsell. But it's something really, really nice, something easy to do. And I will show you exactly how to do it in this video. So be sure to check it out right now. Okay guys, let's get this started right away. You know I love service-based businesses, right? You know I love it. It's better than all this other stuff out there, dropshipping and everything, because you can get people pay you monthly. It's gonna stack up. Your income and the revenue is gonna stack up. What I want to show you in this video is kind of like that, but way more easy, and it's an easy way to get started with the whole thing, okay? So what I'm gonna show you in this video is basically to get businesses to pay you for setting up their Facebook ads account, meaning adding their Facebook pixel to their website and also setting up a few campaigns for them, right? You can easily charge $1,000 for that. Businesses are willing to pay that because they don't have any idea how valuable that actually is, and you will sell them on the idea how valuable it actually is. So let's get straight into it right here. Here you can see one of my sites, for example, one of my pages on tubemillionaire.co right here, how to get businesses to pay you $1,000, $2,000 a month for ranking YouTube videos. It's a webinar basically. You can sign up, by the way, link is in the description. What you can see right here is when we look up here, we can see a little thing. This is a Chrome browser extension right here. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper, right? And what this extension shows us is if on the side that we're on right now, if there's a Facebook Pixel install. If you don't know what a Facebook pixel is, it's basically just a simple line of code, a simple script that allows Facebook to track all the visitors on your page. So that's really essential for Facebook marketing when you want to set up Facebook remarketing ads, for example. You can see everyone who's been, like for example me, I can see everyone who's been on this webinar page right here, and I can tailor my ads exactly the way I want them to be tailored in order to suit this audience, right? So I can send ads to this specific audience right here who have been on this exact page. I can only do this though if I got the Facebook pixel installed on my actual page right here. If I don't have that, I cannot track anything with Facebook. Facebook can't track anything. Therefore, I can also not set up Facebook ads targeting these people, right? So it's very essential for especially like business that we're going to target, like local businesses and small businesses. It's something that's very essential because people, if they build up an audience of all the people who come to their websites, these people are highly targeted. Because if you're searching, for example, I will show you in a second, if you're searching for an emergency plumber or just a plumber, if you're searching for a service like that, you want this service, right? You want to get in touch with the company, right? If you visit that site and find them on Google, for example, and if you have the chance to get an audience saved on Facebook out of all of these people that you can later on send ads, so that's something really valuable right here, okay? So as you can see on my side, you can see my pixel ID, right? So now you probably ask yourself, how do I actually make money with this, okay? And it's really, really easy. Tons of sites out there, tons of businesses out there don't know anything about Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, or PPC, pay-per-click in general, right? So what we want to do is we want to go out there and find companies, for example, plumbers, and I'm choosing plumbers right now because in the video marketing agency program, I will show you how to actually start your own video marketing agency, which is very profitable right now. A lot of people are doing it. A lot of my clients right now. I'm the first one who's teaching people this right now. A lot of people are already out there crushing it and stuff. You can check our Facebook group. It's insane, guys. But so what we teach in this course, in this program, basically is how to get, for example, plumbers or other small businesses to sign up for a video marketing agency and rank their videos so they get calls and stuff, okay? In this example right here, though, when I type in emergency plumber Reno, Nevada, we can see a bunch of businesses ranked on the first page right here and are shown on the first page with ads and stuff, okay? Let's just click this one right here. You will see something funny happen right now. You will not see this Facebook Pixel Helper plugin right here give me a notification like this one right here. And that's a bad thing right here, because this tells us this company right here does not have a Facebook pixel installed on their website. All right, so what do we do right now? We see they don't have a Facebook pixel installed, so now we can approach them and tell them they're missing out on a great opportunity, which is Facebook ads retargeting, and they could reach so many more people doing that, right? There's so many things you can do. Check out a few of my other Facebook tutorials where I go into detail on how to do this, but you could potentially tell them to get the Facebook pixel up there, create a remarketing audience, and based on that even create a lookalike audience and get more and more clients that way. There's so many opportunities. Like, you got a $10,000, $20,000 a year client right here just on this page right here, okay? So I'm not telling you that every person, every company you're going to contact is actually going to work with you. It's a numbers game, but 5 out of 10 at least will actually get in, make a deal with you right here, okay? So what you would do is, right here, all you would do is you would find a contact form, a contact page right here, and 99% of these businesses have that on their website, okay? If not, they usually just have an email, so you just open your normal email application thing and send them an email directly, okay? So here you just type in your name, your email, and of course their phone number. You should do that too. Maybe they want to call you or whatever, and then you simply send them a message and you tell them about the Facebook pixel and that they do not have the Facebook pixel installed. Okay, so there's two things you can do. You can send them a normal email, or you can even record a screen video, show them exactly what I've shown you right now in this video. You can show them an example of a website that has the actual pixel there and tell them that you found out that that they don't have the pixel on their actual website, okay? So you can do that. You can create a screen video, upload it to Vimeo or YouTube or whatever as an unlisted video, and then send them the link, okay? So what you would say right here is, hello, we have, or you normally start out with like something like, it's Michael from, sorry, I'm doing this fast right now, Michael from whatever agency, blah, 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 that you're from. You want to make up something like this, right? And then you want to explain to them that they're missing out on a huge opportunity right here with Facebook ads. Many of these companies probably also heard of Facebook ads already, but they've never gotten into it because they're kind of scared with new technology and stuff. They have not really looked into it, and they don't really know what to do. And they love that you actually contact them and want to get in business with them, because they also will be convinced that this is an actual great opportunity if you explain it correctly. So all you do is you tell them your Facebook pixel is missing. We will set it up for you. We will make sure that we retarget, that we track every single visitor on your website. I'll show you in a second how to do this. We will track every single visitor on your site, and we will make you money. This is very important, and this is also something I teach you guys in the video marketing agency. You always want to make value clear. You always want to make sure that people know what they're getting. Don't go out there and just tell them, oh, we got a service for you, we got this, we do this, blah, blah, blah. No one cares about this. People and businesses only want to know what's in it for them. And what's in it for them right here with this method is they can make more money. You can increase their revenue, right? People, companies, businesses, agencies get paid a lot of money to increase other businesses' revenue, right? Everyone, if you can increase the revenue for a business, they will pay you money. That's just the way it is, okay? So how do we do this? It's real simple, guys. It's so easy. You don't need to know any code, basically, okay? All we do is we go to facebook.com and we go to the ad manager, right? So once we are in this ads manager right here, we just go to the search bar and type in pixel, right? That's literally all we have to do in order to set up the Facebook pixel. It takes 2 seconds, guys, not more. As you can see right here, if my internet wasn't that shitty right now, then it would actually take 2 seconds. But right now, it probably takes 10 seconds, okay? So what we're gonna do right here is we actually see our default pixel ID right here, but in order to set it up, we have to go to details and then go to setup in the top right corner right here, and it will simply give us an instruction right here on how to set up the pixel, right? So we have a few options. Use integration on tag manager. I wouldn't even bother about this. I would always click on manually install the code yourself, right? And all you have to do is get this little script right here, copy it, and go to your website, or of course their website if you work for them, if you charge them money already. Go to their website. They will, most of these sites are WordPress sites most of the time. Some of them are hard-coded HTML. If it's WordPress, just go there, go to the site. I can show you an example right here. You just go to the site, you go to Appearance, Editor, and then you go to header, the header PHP. You can search it right here, header PHP. That's the main header file. You go in there and you follow instructions by Facebook, simply copy and paste it in there. Also, if you don't want to actually do it with the hard code, if it's a WordPress site, you can also go to plugins and go to add new and simply add a new plugin. Just type in Facebook Pixel right here on the WordPress site. It's pretty easy to do. There will be a plugin that lets you, or multiple plugins that let you simply copy and paste the Facebook Pixel ID in there. Again, if it's hard-coded HTML, just do it. Go to the header file, put it in there. Or if you don't even want to do this because you charge them like $1,000, go to Fiverr.com, pay someone $5 to do it for you. Okay, it's really simple, easy, and straightforward. So what we can then do is, once we install the pixel and once we made sure that we actually see the Facebook Pixel Helper show us the pixel right here, so we can make sure that it's actually on there, we will go to Audiences. Right, we type in audiences, and then we actually have the opportunity to create a new audience, a custom audience based on their website traffic right here, right? So let's pretend we already had their pixel on the page right here. We would simply copy their URL, and right here, when we create the audience, we would choose website traffic, because obviously we want to track the website traffic. And we right here, Facebook allows us to do this for 180 days right here. We would choose all website visitors. This tracks all the people who've been on the whole page, not sub pages. You can also select sub pages, but this, first of all, we want to create the whole page right here. These companies, they don't get that much traffic. It's not like they get thousands of visitors per day. So we want to track all of them. Okay, audience name would be, what's their name? Reno, Savage, and whatever, blah, blah, blah. We would call it Savage and whatever Plumber. And click people who visited specific web pages. And here you can make sure to copy and paste it in there. And you can make sure to either select contains or doesn't contain or equals, right? If you do contains, then it will track all the people that are on the website that contains this URL right here. So it would be this one and all the sub pages. We could also do like equals and then do only, for example, this URL right here is a pretty big one right now, but it's a pretty big URL right here, so I won't read it. But this one right here / contact us. So it will only do the ones on the contact us page, right? If we do equals, right? But that's not what, don't focus too much on that, right? Just get your $1,000 and actually do it right like this right here, and you got the audience, right? And based on that, you can create all the ads and everything for the business right here. I will not show you how to create the ads right here. Go to one of my videos about Facebook ads and stuff, but always make sure to get your client first. I also tell that to all the people from the video marketing agency that are in my program, in my course right now. A lot of people ask me, I already noticed this, a lot of people ask me about technical stuff before they got their first client. Do not ask me that. Just get your first client. I even offered some of these guys, if you have doubts, just go out there, get your first client, and I will deliver the service for you. You keep the money, just do it. Doesn't matter. The first thing that's very important is to get your first client. To get your first client, because then you will get the momentum, okay? That's what I told someone right now today in my Facebook mastermind group, okay? You get the first client, and then you got money, guys. And then you just have to pay a few bucks here and there to outsource some stuff, and that's it. But that's basically the method right here, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope I could create some value right here. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss another video of mine. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one, and see you soon.